New Country Organics was founded to change the landscape of agriculture by giving people more choice over their personal food chains, by allowing growers and producers to put more into the soil than they take out, and to allow us all to live in landscapes which are farmed organically. So many of our customers have become distrustful of large, industrialized, commercialized food laden with chemicals. So people are choosing to take control of their own personal food chain by opting for New Country Organics feed.
I knew from the beginning that I was really interested in organic feed for my animals because I knew how important it was for me and my health. I value respecting life and the whole system. That's reflected in the way that I raise my animals. We rotation graze our goats. We have a mobile coop for our chickens and our geese. We're considering the most efficient and beneficial, not just to the animals, but to the land, way of raising them. And New Country Organics also considers the whole picture, and it considers the impact on the whole system.
We support life. You know, we encourage healthy living, not only in our work environment, but also the products that we sell. There's a lot of heart put into our product. We just want to improve the world.
Every time we sell a bag of feed, it's not a bag of feed to a customer, it's helping a customer live healthily, make better choices. It's why we do what we do. It's what gets us up in the morning, is helping our customers and supplying them with the best possible organic feed.
I believe in organic farming because it is the right way. You know, it is the way that it should be everywhere. My name's David Bocook. I'm in Mountain Gate Organics. We produce 100% organic earthworm castings that will make your plants lush and growth, and we also use New Country Organics to feed our chickens so we can have really healthy eggs and healthy chickens. One of the things that brought me really close to New Country Organics is they came up with a recipe to meet my needs for the worm farm, and they've been producing my worm chow for the last 10 years, which now I can guarantee that is totally organic because nothing goes through their meal that is not organic.
New Country Organics is also a very joyful company, and those are things that I really value, because when we are connected to that joy and kindness, that's like a tangible thing, right? And the animals that I raise, they're playful. When they're healthy, they're playful and happy, and that's a really important thing to us.
The work we do at New Country Organics matters to me enormously. It allows us to give people healthy, organic food. It allows people to take more control of their personal food chains. It allows us to help farmers find a market for their organic grains. It's also about helping the people who work here. As the CEO of a company, nothing gives me greater pleasure than to see the people who work here thrive and prosper and grow personally.